Okay. So the number one tip I give people if they're looking to optimize their e-commerce conversion rate or they're looking to build an A/B testing practice or anything is make sure you have your goals and those goals are aligned and declared. So what I want you to do today, right after you're done watching this video and after you're done clicking the like button, you're going to go read your company's 10K. Boring. Sorry. The first 10 pages, first 15 pages in there is going to be a secret. It is how your company makes money and why people invest in your company. If you're not a publicly traded company, there's probably similar documentation that exists, or you just go talk to your CFO. Go talk to the person you're usually asking for money and have this conversation. How does our company make money? What are the metrics you look at in the morning? You're then going to take that conversation and you're going to figure out how the things you do contribute to those goals. Those will then become your goals for the year. And you're going to take those goals and you're going to write them down, you're going to print them out, you're going to tape them up to your wall, you're going to put them in your email signature, and you're definitely going to make them your annual bonus goals. Once you do that, you'll then take a look at all the tests you're doing or all the optimizations you want to do or everything on your agile backlog, and you're going to say, what are the things that ladder up to those goals? You're going to do more of those things. You're going to do less of the things that don't. That's my tip for today. Have a great day. Talk to you soon.